The animation begins with a striking 3D close-up of a broken bone, where the fracture is vividly marked, capturing the moment of injury. As the scene transitions into the first stage, the hematoma forms, visually showcasing a blood clot that encircles the fracture site, while immune cells tirelessly clear away debris. The second segment reveals the soft callus formation. Here, soft cartilage fills the gap, exemplifying a makeshift bridge for stability. Continuing, the hard callus stage illustrates the powerful osteoblasts at work, transforming cartilage into robust bone, providing a sense of strength emerging from vulnerability. Finally, the bone remodeling phase portrays the dynamic reshaping process, restoring the bone to its original form. Throughout this captivating animation, soft music complements the visual journey, while text labels succinctly identify each healing stage, making the complex process easily understandable.